episode2.com.
Hey baby, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
Oh, just tired. How was your day?
It was okay. Is it just work?
Yes.
Well, I think maybe you should cut down some of your activities, so we can spend time together. Because, you're always late, you leave early.
No, I can't, baby. I told you I had a project.
What? What do you mean you can't? I'm talking about us. We barely spend time together. You either out, you late, you leaving early, and you telling me you have a project. What kind of project? All I hear is project. Every day is project. You need to give time to us too. We need time.
What are you talking about?
What do you mean? What am I talking about? For God's sake, I'm talking about us, you and I. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe you don't get it. Like, what are you thinking in your head? What do you mean project? Every day? No, don't
Babe,
come close
listen,
to me.
listen.
No, don't
I
touch
told
me.
you I had a project.
That's all I hear. Project. What kind of project? Okay, take me as a project. Take me as a project.
Okay, you
Maybe
know
you
what?
don't give.
We're gonna talk later on.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Hey, babe. You still mad at me? Babe, listen. Tout ce que je fais, c'est pour moi, tu vois. Donc, on doit avoir l'argent et tout ça. Donc, des mois, c'est rien. I'll be back. Listen to me now. Listen. Don't be mad at me, okay? It's for us. What I'm doing is for us, baby.